In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a journal entry in Wave. To begin, head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you're there, click on Accounting from the left-hand side of your screen and then select Transactions. After that, click on Add a Transaction at the upper right-hand side and choose Add Journal Entry. First, select the date for your journal entry and type in a description. For example, if you've made a business purchase using your personal account by mistake, you can record that through a journal entry. To do this, first add a debit entry for the expense or the item you purchased. Choose the appropriate account and enter the amount spent. You can add multiple lines if necessary, for instance when recording more than one item or adjustment. Next, add the credit entry to balance the journal. Type the description, select the corresponding account, and enter the credit amount so that your debits and credits balance. Once your entries are complete, click on Save. After saving, your journal entry will appear in your transactions list. You can later review it when doing taxes or making adjustments to your books. Journal entries help you manually record transactions that may not appear automatically through bank imports or direct entries, and that's how you can record a journal entry in Wave.